A journey of courage and conviction. Once upon a time, in a simple log cabin, lived a young boy named Abraham. He didn't have many toys, but he had a great love for reading. By the light of the fireplace, he would lose himself in books, eager to learn everything he could. As he grew older, Abraham became a lawyer. He believed in fairness and justice for all. He worked hard, always trying to do what was right, even when it was difficult. Abraham's honesty and strong principles led him to become the President of the United States during a very challenging time. The country was divided, but Lincoln spoke with a powerful voice, urging people to come together. One of the most important things Lincoln did was to issue the Emancipation Proclamation. This document declared that enslaved people were free. It was a bold and courageous act that changed the course of history. Abraham Lincoln's journey was full of challenges, but his determination and commitment to his beliefs never wavered. He showed the world the power of courage, integrity, and the importance of fighting for what is right. Just like Abraham Lincoln, you too can make a difference. Never stop learning, always stand up for what you believe in, and let your actions be guided by courage and conviction. Start your own journey of positive change today.